Here. Have you been naughty or nice? It says you've been naughty.
No.
I probably have. Have you been naughty?
Ben,
Daddy?
Ben.
How have I been?
No, that was all.
Well, you're always
Ben,
nice.
leave it
Thank you,
alone.
darling.
You're pleasant,
like
like
Wendy.
Rudolph.
Tell Ben to leave those alone.
Ben.
His presents.
Exactly.
Leave him alone.
Now,
Is
Ben.
that my camera?
Ben, get out from underneath the
Move,
tree.
Ben.
Right now.
Daddy, open yours at the same time.
I don't have one.
There it is.
Who's it from?
Mom, be careful with yours. It's breakable.
Who is it from?
It's breakable. Be careful with that thing.
Who is it from?
It's
Who is this from?
from a man in Francisco.
From me and Francisco.
Oh, okay.
No. That is not true. Wait just a minute.
Jay,
Okay.
give Amanda her present.
Can I get my present?
Give Amanda her present right now.